Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to enhance photo quality with Phosus. So, let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to phosus.com. If you are new to Phosus, don't worry. I recommend watching my video guide on getting started with Phosus for an effortless account setup. However, if you're already familiar with the platform, simply log in to access your customized dashboard. Since I'm already logged in, let's dive straight into the action. Click on the dashboard button conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. Now, take a look at your dashboard, which serves as the creative center for enhancing your images. Here, you will discover an array of robust tools ready for your use. Navigate to the left sidebar and select Tools, or simply scroll down to find the treasure we're after, Auto Fix. Click on Auto Fix, and you will enter the world of image enhancement. It's time to choose the photo you want to enhance. You can either upload your image with a simple click or make it even easier by dragging and dropping it into the designated area. Once your image is selected, Phosus takes over, working its magic automatically. Now, let's talk about patience. The processing time depends on your internet speed. If you're blessed with a high-speed connection, the transformation happens in the blink of an eye. But if your internet is a bit slower, don't worry. The remarkable results are well worth the wait. And there you have it. Your image has been splendidly enhanced. Take a moment to appreciate the new details, vibrant colors, and enhanced clarity that Phosus has brought to your photo. But wait, there's one more step: downloading your enhanced masterpiece. Simply click the download button and Phosus will save your enhanced image to your device efficiently. A quick word of advice: each download consumes some credits, so use them thoughtfully. Congratulations! You have successfully enhanced your photos quality with Phosus. This powerful tool is a must-have for photography enthusiasts, professional graphic designers, or anyone who values the beauty of a finely enhanced image. Now, it's your turn to explore the world of image enhancement with Phosus. It's a game changer in the realm of digital imagery, and the creative possibilities are limitless. Enjoy your creative journey, and remember to stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.